Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, girl, we gonna be rubbing this in all over. Alrighty then. Hello there, you guys. Your girl EuniyceMari, and we are back with another Goddess Provisions unboxing. Now, I told myself last month that I was going to cancel my Goddess Provisions box because I just feel like I have so much stuff that I'm like, I don't need anymore. But I totally forgot to cancel my box, and now another box has arrived. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to review it. But nonetheless, I'm really excited about this box. Like, I'm glad that I didn't cancel it because I am super excited about this box. Now, this box is all about the divine feminine, okay? All about the divine feminine, all right? And if you do not know what Goddess Provisions is, Goddess Provision is a monthly subscription box, $33 a month, and you get a spiritual box delivered right to your door full of goodies, all right? A lot of their products are non-GMO, vegan, all that fun stuff, all natural, so they're really good for you, and they're by like little companies, okay? But I will leave all Instagram, all websites and everything down below of each of these items and where you can sign up for Goddess Provisions, okay? Oh, and then the imagery is by Serpent Fire. So they actually put who? Serpent Fire and Tamara Patrick. I'm gonna have to look them up. So yeah, those are who are the artists. This Tamara Patrick is the artist of this here. Very pretty. And then for the cover photo, it is Serpent Fire. Very talented ladies. Okay, let's get into this box, you guys. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is this Egyptian new moon Egyptian tea. I have so much tea thanks to Goddess Provisions. You know what though? I have to start drinking my teas. I have all these teas that I don't even drink. I just have them sitting around. I don't drink them as often. I need to drink them. So thank you, Goddess Provisions, for another tea to add to my collection. So this is the Egyptian tea. It comes with chamomile, spearmint, licorice, and hibiscus. I really do like hibiscus. Retails for $10, so I can't wait to try it out. I really do like hibiscus and all that, so a lot of the stuff that's in here is what I already like, so I can't wait to try that. The next thing that we're going to talk about is this. Oh, this is something I saw that I got excited about. I was excited about this when I saw it. Y'all know I love me a good old body oil, okay? Good old body oil. This is what it looks like. Hold on. And if you guys can see, it's actually, it has little shimmers on it, but the shimmers seem to be a little stuck to the side of the bottle. If you can see, the shimmers are kind of like, oh, now it looks better, but like it has like a little bit of some mica powder in it. Element for Goddess Provisions Egyptian Sunrise Body Ritual Oil. Shake well to activate magic. Massage into wet skin or add to bath. Little goes a long way. It's olive oil, safflower, sweet almond, grapeseed essential oils, and mandarin, jasmine, and oh girl, I don't even know how to say that one, and mica. Oh, I want to see what this smells like. You guys know I like me a good oil, but it says to massage it into wet skin, but we're gonna try it on dry skin just for the heck of it. Is it sealed? Okay, no. Okay, you guys, we're gonna try this stuff. Hold on. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger and we're gonna see. I want to see if you guys, oh, you can definitely see a difference. Hold on. Am I glowing? I'm already glowing, so it's kind of hard to tell. I'm not even lying though. You guys know I'm already glowing, but you know what though? That did add a little bit of a, more of like a, it adds a little bit more of like a yellow. It just really, hold on, enhances my yellow tones. Oh, it smells so, oh, it smells so delicious. Oh, oh, this is my favorite. Oh girl, we gonna be rubbing this in all over. It smells divine. Like, y'all need to get you some of this. I recommend this highly. Let me tell y'all, what is this? Spirit Element body oil. It retails for $9 by Spirit Element. Get you some of this. It's very moisturizing, lightweight, smells delicious, and it has a little bit of mica powder in it that gives you a nice glow. Girl, I love, y'all know I love me a body oil. Oh, and it smells so good. Next, we're gonna go, and I'm shining. Y'all know I get oily. The next thing we're gonna talk about is the Coal Miner. Looks like this. And this is a Sacred Lotus sugar scrub. It includes raw sugar, MCT, coconut oil, sunflower oil, flowers, Egyptian mirror, frankincense, mandarin, and okay, I like frankincense. I love that smell. So hold on, let me see if I can open it. Ew. Ooh. It smells good. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and it's gorgeous. It's nice in a golden color. I think this is like perfect for the summertime. And y'all know exfoliation is key to keep that skin looking. I am so excited. Okay, I'm excited about that one too. And that one retails for $19. A little bit pricey, I feel. But a little pricey. Y'all know I'm a DIYer, so you can DIY that on your own, okay? But I feel like if you're not a DIYer, then go get it made. But a little pricey, but it smells good. And this one is by Pacifica. Oh, isn't that funny? You guys know that I like Pacifica. Well, I like Pacifica, but I don't really get too much into their skincare like that. These are the Rose Quartz Targeted Face Mask. Under eye brightening, even your third eye. Clear Rose Quartz Ginseng Cucumber. These are for all skin types. Oh, so you can actually target. So you can gently remove a single-use spot mask, apply under your eye area. Kick your feet up and relax. Oh, got it. So they have like, so you can put these on different parts of your face, I guess, depending on what you need for your skin. That's pretty cool. So I can't wait to try that. I'm actually going to do probably a video for you guys, showing you guys how to use these. And that's by Pacifica, and that retails for $8, which is not bad. So we're going to get to the last couple of items here. I was actually really excited about this next one. And this one is Divine Currency. Now, I've never seen anything like this before. But if you look at that, if you guys can even pick up on the details. Let me see. I probably will take it out and show you guys. Pretty much it's a Divine Currency. It says flip this coin for guidance, picking heads / moon goddess Iris or tail sun winged sun serpents. Keep on your altar or in your wallet to call in abundance until you find the perfect opportunity to pass it to a special person. And I like that. But if you look at the details of Iris on this one, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's gorgeous. And then they have the serpents on this one. So if you guys are trying to manifest that money in your life or keep the money rolling, you know what I mean, this is a great way to do it. So I can't wait to put that in my wallet. Okay, Divine Currency. How much does that retail for? Okay, so the value of that one, it says $10, but then it's crossed out and says infinite value. So interesting. All right, so next thing we're going to talk about is the Lapis, and this is a stone. I've heard about the Lapis. I have never used it or gotten around to using one or getting one. It looks like this is a very pretty color, actually. I don't have a blue stone at all, besides the one I think that we got last month, which is kind of greenish, I think. But pretty much this is a value of $5, and this is the one as you meditate for your third eye chakra to gain insight about your divine purpose from the spiritual realm. So your third eye is right here, so you can meditate with it on your third eye. So like that. And the next one is going to be this piece of jewelry. Add to my jewelry collection, why don't you? Okay. And this is retail values for $38. And this is a turquoise necklace. Adorn yourself with this protective touch of turquoise, a stone traditionally used in jewelry of Egyptian royalty. Wear this necklace as a reminder of your power and poise. You are a queen. I like that. And I don't own any turquoise, so yay, guys, for visions. Thank you. And the last product in this box before my camera dies is the Access Your Eyes Scarab Altar Cloth. It looks like this. Oh, so it's a cloth you will put on your altar. Ooh, I like that. That is so pretty. Look at the details on that. Oh man, I like that a lot. And it retails for $22. So this altar cloth uses crystal infused selenite ink and on an eco-friendly fabric to portray the sacred Scarab, if I'm saying that right, an Egypt symbol of immortality, resurrection, transformation, and protection. Okay, yeah, and that retails for $22. So got a lot of great goodies in this box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before my camera dies, all link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.